This video is provided by the Portland Public Schools Testing Help Team. In this video, we will be showing how to check test progress in TIDE. To get started, we will go to oaksportal.org. Once on the home page, we will click Test Administrator. Within the TA interface, we will choose TIDE tile. And go ahead and log in. Once in TIDE, you will see two sections. To the left is orange, where all user and student data is entered and stored. And then to the right is the turquoise or teal section, which is for administering tests. We will choose Monitoring Test Progress. To the right, we will use the arrow to populate the options and choose Plan and Manage Testing. You will be brought to this report page. You will be required to fill in the report criteria. There are 3 steps to setting the report criteria. Step 1, we will choose the test. You can get as specific as you would like, for example, by grade and test name, but we're going to keep it very general and only choose the test. We're going to leave it at the Oak Science and Smarter. Next, step 2, we're going to choose for which school, and for today, I'm going to choose Hosford. Again, keeping it general, I could choose by a TA, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to just leave it at the school. And step 3, get specific. So our guidance is to choose the 3rd option or the 5th option. The 3rd option will show all students who have begun testing, and the 5th is if you want to check specific student or students, and you can enter up to 20 SSIDs. So for today, we're going to choose the 3rd option to capture any students who have started those assessments. And at the bottom here, we have 2 options. We can generate a report or export a report. You would choose Generate Report when you just want to check on the screen with no need to keep the report. However, if you'd like to print or send this out to test administrators, you would choose the Export option. At the bottom left of the screen, I see the report, and we're going to go ahead and open the report there. I've gone ahead and blocked out student information, but you can see the data that is available. You see over here we have the student's name, the SSID number, and here we have the status. So in this column here, you can see you'll see a variety of different statuses. So you may see reported, which means they're completely done and it's reported. You might see completed, which is a step before the reported status. So they've completed the test, but the scores have not been reported. You may see paused. You may see expired when a student no longer has opportunities due to the expiration. And suspended, which is when a test session has been ended before a student was able to be approved to enter the test session. So as a reminder, this is not a student to test list. This report serves to show who has started testing, not who needs to test. For student to test lists, please watch the tutorial video on how to run a student to test list on Dashboard. And also, These reports with student information are secure testing materials and need to be handled and destroyed appropriately. For questions regarding these reports, please contact your school test coordinator or testing help.